Sketchy, the latest as far as the monsoon in Mumbai is concerned. An orange category warning is what has been issued by the Met Office, not just for today but for tomorrow and followed by Wednesday as well. So from now all the way through Wednesday, heavy showers are expected in Mumbai. Do remember that very heavy showers have been reported in the last 24 hours alone, and the impact of which, as far as 5 different weather systems are concerned, which has brought in several parts of the city that was waterlogged between 100 millimeters to about 190 millimeters of rain, leading to widespread inundation and road closures, traffic and flight diversions as well. Cyclonic circulation over the northeast Arabian Sea as well as a well-marked low pressure area are some of the weather systems that are impacting Mumbai, and which is why we're seeing very heavy showers, and that will continue to impact Mumbai over the next 3 days. We have my colleagues Abira and Anuj joining us to get us more on this. We have Anuj joining us from Andheri and we have Abira joining us from Marine Drive. Abira, Anuj, over to you first. Get us the latest as far as the situation this morning is concerned.
You see, the rain took kind of a break in the night, but ever since it's dawned, the morning has dawned upon us. Ever since it's been 6 a.m., the rain picked up pace, and since then it has been raining continuously throughout. What we've been told by the IMD and the BMC is that rain is expected in isolated parts, that to an intense measure. We saw a particular trend going across in Mumbai last few days, that the rain would get a little slow during the night, but it picks up pace as soon as it stays. Situation was slightly different for last 2 days as it was the weekend, but today we'll be crucial as it is a working day. It is Monday, and I'd like to show around me. You can already see people coming across here to the railway stations. The train, according to the BMC update, the latest update that we've received, the railways and the traffic diversion hasn't been affected as of yet, but then it is expected that it might take a toll if the rain continues for the next 60 to 120 minutes. For the next couple of hours, that is. We're also seeing that there is some sort of waterlogging that has started to, develop after we saw that the waterlogging had gone down yesterday. Yesterday night, since evening, the amount of rain, the intensity of the rain decreased. But then later we saw that ever since today morning, the rain has been quite continuous. It has been quite consistent, and that will result in some sort of waterlogging. Besides Mumbai, there are several other parts in Maharashtra, including Vidarbha, Sangli, Kolhapur, and a lot of regions in the Konkan which are also facing the wrath of the rain gods here in Maharashtra. But in Mumbai, as we are noting that the situation is on an high alert. An orange alert has been put in place till the 24th of July, and the authorities have cautioned the people to not get out of their houses unless extremely important. We're also noting that special NDRF team are in position in several parts of the city to make sure that people are kept safe throughout the period of this orange alert.
Right. We also have Abira joining us to get us more on this. Abira, take us through what are the kind of restrictions that have been put into place in order to smooth sail the situation, because there are a lot of flights that have been impacted, a lot of roads that have been closed, subways have been shut. What's the situation like this morning? Have things improved?
Okay, so it has been raining incessantly from 6 o'clock. I've been traveling throughout the city to reach Marine Drive, and there was almost negligible visibility. Right now I am at Marine Drive. It's extremely windy. There are hardly any people here. I can't see the cops right now. The police are all around, but people are not allowed to come on Marine Drive and walk around. Usually we see a lot of people who are walking around and running around here, but there's security here who is asking people to leave. There's a high tide around 12 o'clock. But like Anuj says, it's an orange alert today, and people have been asked to work from home as much as they can. The rain has been only increasing. Right now I'm standing at Marine Drive. It's extremely windy. If I can show you, I'm trying to basically protect my phone and myself from the wind and the rain. It's absolutely empty, but this place is usually quite happening in the morning because the people exercise, walk around, jog around. I can see few people here, but otherwise police has asked people to stay away from the sea and any place close to the sea. So right now hardly anyone here. We are at Marine Drive, if I can show you.
Right, of course, it's the fifth day where it's raining more than usual. There are multiple weather systems that are at play as far as Mumbai is concerned. Take us through the situation as far as the airlines and all. They've been issuing some sort of advisory. Even today, we're reading that the Indigo Airlines has issued travel advisory for passengers.
Yes, it happened yesterday also, as well as it continues to happen. A few flights were diverted yesterday, which were coming from Delhi to Mumbai and other places to Ahmedabad. They were diverted to Ahmedabad. And today also, Indigo has already given an advisory. Please check your flight timings. If they are cancelled, please reach early. So yeah, there are a lot of disruption. But for now, this is what we are seeing. We have to. As the day goes, we need to see how the weather progresses. But right now, the rain continues. Since 6 in the morning, it has been raining incessantly.
Right, Abira, thank you so much, Abira and Anuj, for joining us with the very latest, and heavy showers continue as far as Mumbai is concerned, with more to follow from now all the way through Wednesday.